first at the Deep Learning and Finance Summit in Singapore in 2017. So give us a quick refresher. What is iKnowFirst?
So it's great to be here again with you. iKnowFirst is an AI company. Our main solution is a predictive algorithm that generates daily prediction for over 10,000 assets from different asset classes. We are utilizing artificial intelligence, more specifically deep learning and artificial neural networks to predict the financial markets. Our algorithm is generating daily prediction for assets from different asset classes. The 10,000 assets are coming from different asset classes: equities, ETFs, commodities, currencies, world indices, and also interest rates. And when we were interviewing in Singapore, I think we announced the fact that we started to predict, to supply prediction to the eastern side of the world, specifically Singapore, China, Japan, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Now, in terms of the development, now I can say that we are predicting almost every stock exchange around the globe. We were predicting 3,000 assets back then, and now we are predicting over 10,000 assets. And we are also in development of different new features and new products, including financial products, as well as new predictive models, specifically for short-term trading.
So, how have Rework events been valuable to you?
So we believe that in the field of professional field of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, this is the most interesting and the most comprehensive summit that out there. The fact that we actually see formulas in some of the slides, some of the presentations, means that there is something that more than just a traditional summit here, and it's really a professional and interesting summit, and we are receiving a lot of inspiration. That's why we're enjoying being here.
And what are the main challenges that you're encountering in your work right now?
So, in the financial markets...
You want me to talk?
Yeah, please.
Okay. We find that you need data to have artificial intelligence. And a lot of data that we are using have a long history, but there are a lot of short-term data that doesn't cover long history, and we would like to use it. So we have to modify our systems to utilize the short-term data that became available only in the recent years, and that's what we are doing right now. We are working on utilizing the Google Trends and other short-term data that just didn't exist even 20 years ago.
I will give maybe a quick example to illustrate what you just said. I think back then in 2017, the crypto market was not that popular as now. Now there are a lot of cryptocurrencies. And the challenge is that most of the stock exchanges have short history. Okay, Bitcoin is here already a few years already, so we can predict Bitcoin. But if we would like to predict some new cryptocurrencies, it's really difficult since the data is not available, is not out there. So instead of looking for the data, we decided to develop the ability to predict also short-term models.
So how do you see, we're going to cut that bit out. How do you see AI changing the landscape of finance or insurance or banking in the next 5 years?
So we are already working with different banks, specifically the wealth management and the asset management units in the banks. We see that, we believe that the adoption rate is going to be higher than now. You know, when we started iKnowFirst in 2011, the word of artificial intelligence was almost like a Chinese word. Now it became more and more popular, and we see that more and more banks are willing to adopt AI, deep learning, and advanced decision supporting tools. And we believe that this trend is going to continue in the next years.
So what have you enjoyed most about the summit so far?
So yeah, we just have a really lovely speaking opportunity. We enjoyed it really much. And yeah, we are looking forward for the rest of the presentations. We are also going to be here tomorrow.
Will be interesting for us. Yeah.
And as well, you know, this is part of we are receiving inspiration here. So.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Yaron.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for letting us asking
Hopefully
us.
we'll see you again at another summit.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
See you next time.